At the start of this year, a team of U.S. researchers predicted the existence of a mysterious ninth planet. The unknown world, dubbed Planet 9, is thought to be 10 times more massive than Earth and the furthest planet from the Sun, but its exact location is unknown. Since then, researchers over the world have been using different instruments to hone in on the planet, in an effort that could lead to the planet being found before the end of the year. Not only could it be tugging on NASA's Cassini probe, a separate project called the Dark Energy Survey is coincidentally looking in exactly the right place to find the planet. Since the mysterious planet was predicted in January this year, data from NASA's Cassini spacecraft has helped narrow down the search. The Dark Energy Survey is a Southern Hemisphere observation project designed to probe the acceleration of the universe that started in 2013. It was not designed to look for a ninth planet, but by chance it is already looking in the right direction, according to the Cassini data. The Dark Energy Survey is already 2 years into its 5-year mission, and using this data could cut down the time it takes to locate the planet dramatically. In January, astronomers Konstantin Bogdan and Mike Brown of Caltech predicted the existence of what they dubbed Planet 9. They used mathematical modeling and computer simulations, and found the planet would exactly explain the strange clumping behavior of a group of dwarf planets in the Kuiper Belt, a field of icy objects and debris beyond Neptune. But if it does exist, its gravity should also tug on the planets, moons and even any orbiting spacecraft. This is why, since January, other teams have searched for further proof by analyzing archived images and proposing new observations to find it with the world's largest telescopes. Evidence is mounting that something unusual is out there. There's a story that's hard to explain with just the standard picture, David Zerds, a cosmologist at the University of Michigan told Scientific American. Many experts suspect that within as little as a year someone will spot the unseen world. Last month, evidence from NASA's Cassini spacecraft, orbiting Saturn, helped close in on the missing planet. Agnes Feenley at the Côte d'Azur Observatory in France and her colleagues checked whether a theoretical model with a new edition of Planet 9 could better explain slight perturbations seen in Cassini's orbit. Without it, the 8 planets in the Solar System, 200 asteroids and 5 of the most massive Kuiper Belt objects can't perfectly account for it. They found a sweet spot for Planet 9, 600 astronomical units, about 56 billion miles or 90 billion kilometers, away, towards the constellation Cetus, that can explain Cassini's orbit quite well. It's a brilliant analysis, says Greg Laughlin, an astronomer at Lick Observatory. It's completely amazing that they were able to do that so quickly. Jacques Lasker, researcher on the study, said the search field can be further narrowed if Cassini, due to finish its mission next year, is extended to 2020. But if the planet is where they think, other instruments might also be able to help find it. The Dark Energy Survey is a Southern Hemisphere observation project designed to probe the acceleration of the universe that started in 2013. It was not designed to look for a ninth planet, but by chance it is already looking in the right direction, according to the Cassini data. It turns out fortuitously that the favored region from Cassini is smack dab in the middle of our survey footprint, said David Zerds, who is working on the Cosmology Survey. We could not have designed our survey any better.